Future perfect tense. 1 use for completed actions before specific future time. By the time I finish my studies, I will have earned my degree. The second use of the future perfect tense. It is used for speculating about past actions from a future perspective. By the time I return, someone will have eaten all the cake. The next use is actions that will be completed before another future event. We will have finished dinner by the time the guests arrive. The next one is expressing assumptions or predictions about the completion of an action. They will have reached their destination by midnight. Helping verbs used in the future perfect. 1. He, she, it plus Ollie. We, you, they plural names will be followed by will, shall have. Will, shall have. Affirmative structure for future perfect. Subject plus will, shall plus have plus third form of verb plus object. They will have saved enough money to buy a new car by next month. Negative structure. Subject plus will, shall plus not plus have plus third form verb plus object. He will not have seen the movie before it leaves the theaters. Interrogative structure. Will, shall plus subject plus have plus third form verb plus object. For example, will they have finished the construction work by the end of the month? Negative and interrogative structure. Will, shall plus subject plus not plus have plus third form verb plus object. For example, won't she have finished her presentation by the time the clients arrive? Note, in the negative and negative interrogative forms, not is placed between will and have. In the interrogative and negative interrogative forms, the subject and auxiliary verb are inverted. Subscribe us for more.